Good afternoon students and welcome all to class 10. So hi, this is Shumiran sir and today I am here to teach you the map pointing skills, how to point out the map. So I hope all you are well as you have gone through the first chapter of geography. Already the video slide you have seen from the first chapter. So today only I will make you teach or learn how the process or how to point out the maps. So your first chapter you can see on the slide, that is geography chapter number 1, resource and development, map pointing skills. And what you have to point out in the map? The major types of soil. So soil is an important resource and in our country we have 6 major types of soil. So about the different types of soil you have already learned from the chapter. In this chapter what you will do, where the several types of soils are found, you have to point it out on the map. It is an important and compulsory part in your examination because from history as well as from geography there are maps and it is compulsory. So you have to practice it properly. So let's come to the slide. Major types of soil in India. So the first type of soil, forest and mountain soil. So forest and mountain soil, how it is found or where it is found, you have already learned from the chapter. Mainly in the northern mountains it is found. Next types of soil is alluvial soil. It is one of the important soil in our country which covers almost 40% of our entire soil. So it is found mainly along the river plains of India and it is one of the most fertile soil. Next one is red and the yellow soil. It is the second largest soil found in India, mainly found in overall India. Maximum part it is found in the southern part. Next is the black soil. On the Deccan Plateau, black soil is found. Deccan Plateau, it is mainly found in the southern part of India or in peninsular India. Next is the laterite soil. It is mostly found in the northeastern part and southwestern part of our country. And the last soil is the desert soil. In the western part of India, mainly the state of Gujarat and Rajasthan, we can find these soils. So about the soil, the vivid description is given in your book as well as in the first video of this chapter. Respective teacher have explained this part. So today I am here only to guide you how to point this soil on map. So here is a practice map. You can see this type of map you will get in examination. Okay, one latest map you will get. Here the state is not divided. This union territory is Jammu and Ladakh. This type of map you will get, that is state divided Indian political map. On this map you have to point out or to guide or shade out the areas of several types of soil. Let us come to this map where it is also given in your book where different types of soils are found in India. You can color differently in different types of soil. You can make index, you can use symbol. Okay, so while writing on the map you can use pencils or by pens you can do, but don't use pastel or watercolors. And when you will only color it, don't write anything on it, just make an index at the bottoms and following color you will write what types of soil are given. So let us come first types of soil. We have seen the mountain soil. What mountain soil is mainly found in the northern part of India, mainly the state of Jammu Kashmir, which was at present it is now Jammu and Ladakh, then Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and some parts of Arunachal Pradesh. Here we can find the mountain soil. Okay. think now it is visible to you, where the mountain soils are mainly found in India. So when it is asked to point out the mountain soil, if you cannot mark the entire complete zone, just only one part also you can mark. But these are the states where it is found. The next vast types of soil is the alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is mainly formed by the deposition of river sediments. So along the North Indian plain, the entire North Indian plain is covered by alluvial soil, this region. Okay, here the Indus river system, Ganga river system and Brahmaputra river system and their territories, they comprise of the northern plains, and the northern plains is mainly filled with alluvial soil, and alluvial soils are mainly found in these states, mainly Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Assam. In these following states you can find alluvial soil. The third one is the black soil. Black soil is found maximum part of Maharashtra, some parts of Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Telangana. So here the South Indian Deccan tract, it is covered by black soil, and black soil is very important for cotton cultivation also. So you will just mark this area for the black soil. Next one is the red soil. Red soil also covers maximum part of our eastern and southern part of India. So where they are found, mainly some parts of Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, some parts of Maharashtra, okay, and as well as in the northeastern part of our country, they are compiled of the red soil. In West Bengal also you can find in the western part few of the districts of Purulia, Bankura. Over there you can also find red soil. So it is also an important soil of our country. So any of the states while you will mark, you can mark it as a red soil. These are the areas of red soil. Next one is the laterite soil. Laterite soil are found in few of the areas of the southeastern part and southwestern part of India, mainly the summits of Western Ghat mountain. Summits of Western Ghat mountain, where there is an alternative wet and dry condition due to heavy rainfall, laterite soil is formed. And also in the northeastern part of India, over there also laterite soils are found. So these two areas, few of the small patches of areas you can see here, the laterite soil are found. And the last one is the arid soil or the desert soil, mainly the western part of India, the Thar desert region of Rajasthan as well as some parts of Gujarat, you can find that arid types of soil or the desert soil. So these are the 6 types of soil, and where they are mainly found in India. From this map you will practice. This map is already given in your textbook. From there, when in examination all the 5 types of soil at a time, it will not come. Any one or the 2 types of soil it is asked to do it, and you should mark it or shade it properly on the Indian outline map, and try to use pencil color for coloring. If you want to use symbol, you can also use symbol. While writing on the map, you can use pencil, or by pen you can also do it. So I hope you have already understood how to do these maps. Okay, so at home you will practice this map, as well as you should take one blank map, 1 or 2 if it is available in the nearby shop, but I think now it is not available. If you have the printer, you can download it, and through the printer you can print it out and you can practice it at home. And thank you all today up to this much. So again, the next whatever it is in your syllabus, the explanation of the map will be given on the next video, and all of you should stay at home and stay safe. Thank you.